In this video, we'll be creating the body of the swivel bearing. This component serves as the main housing, providing structural support and ensuring smooth rotational movement. The drawing files have been attached for reference. You can use them to check dimension. You can download drawing file from the project's download link. Now let's start designing. Invoke new design file. Set your dimensions to mm. Invoke create sketch. Select top plane. Take circle tool. From origin, draw a circle of diameter 48. Then again from create, in slot, take center point slot. From origin, draw a slot. Dimension. The length is 60. Radius is 38. Now we can extrude. Invoke extrude feature. Select the profile. Extrude it to 10 mm. OK. Now invoke create sketch. Select front plane. Invoke line tool and make it construction line. From origin, draw a center line. OK. Change construction line. Now from this distance from center line, draw an angled line, then a straight line, then horizontal, then downwards, horizontal line, from here parallel line. OK. Close the sketch. Take coincident constraint and give coincident relation between this point and the line. OK. You can give dimension. This distance is 20. Here it is 16. From here to here, right click, diameter dimension, it is 22. Again, diameter dimension, distance is 46. Now from here to here, you can give the distance 24. Now the parallel distance should be 10. OK. Now the height is 62. OK. Now the sketch is fully constrained. Here we'll give radius of 1.5. Now we can revolve the profile. From solid, take revolve feature. Profile is already selected. Axis, select the center line. OK. Yes. You can bring isometric. We will give radius. Invoke fillet feature. And select the edge and give fillet of radius 5. OK. Now select this profile as sketching plane. Invoke line tool. Make it construction line. From origin, draw center line. Change construction line. Now take slot, this center point slot, and here you can draw a slot. OK. We'll give dimension. From here to the origin, Distance is 51. Then the length is 10 and radius it is 5. Okay. Now we can mirror this. Invoke mirror feature. Select the profile. Mirror line is center line. Okay. Now let's cut it. Invoke extrude feature. Select both profiles and extrude cut. Extend type is all. Okay. Now invoke create sketch. Select front plane. Yes. Take circle tool and vertically from origin draw a circle of diameter 6. Okay. Now from center of the circle to this distance it is 8. We'll give vertical constraint. Okay. Now we can cut it. Invoke extrude feature. Profile is already selected. In extend type all. To this direction. Okay. Next we will create thread. From create, invoke thread feature. Select the inner face. Okay. And size is 22. Note down the parameters and make changes accordingly. Okay. And we have to give one more thread to the side hole. Invoke thread feature. Select the face. These are the parameters. Okay. We have successfully designed the swivel bearing body, ensuring precise dimension and structural integrity. This forms the foundation for completing bearing assembly. Stay tuned for the next part, where we will continue building more essential components.